So now let's see how we can work around with 8-point garbage matte and 4-point garbage matte inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I need to go around under Effects and under the keying section. And once you do that, over here you can see that 8-point garbage matte is an option. If I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on this particular footage, then you can see that it actually crops out some of the things. That is because the vertex right here changes out. So there's the top vertex right here, the top the vertex right here for the vertical level right here, the center tangent right here. You can go around and change it out as well. And the top right vertex over here, click and drag this out, click and drag this out as well, click and drag this out, and so forth. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can go around and change out each of the points right here, just like this, and then drag it out. So you can go around and click and drag this out right here. You can go around and click and drag it, and then change out how this actually works out, just like this. So now the other part is transparent, meaning if I were to go around over here and then bring in, let's say for example, any other footage underneath, just like this, then what happens is that I simply see that mask right here, and it is the 8-point mask, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is the overall effect. So that is what you have. So it's taking some time to render, and you can see that that is what you have. As you can see, apart from the 8-point garbage matte, you can also add in 4-point garbage matte right here. It is right around over here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this and keep this under the video, then instead of the 8-point, you simply have the 4-point, and you can go around and change that out accordingly as well. So it's more like a 4-pointed screen right here. You can go around and change around the bottom right here, just like this, and work around with it. So that is how you can work around with the 8-point garbage matte and 4-point garbage matte inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.